This is a highly creative blister packaging machine for food, suitable for packing Kinder Joy, fruit gummy, or other specia-shaped blister, such as spherical, car-shaped, robot-shaped, etc. Although the whole process is similar to other blister packing machines of forming, filling, and sealing process, it has some special features. In addition to single-layer blister filling and sealing, the machine can combine 2-half blisters with different contents inside and re-encapsulate, which often requires simultaneous eye-mark positioning of sealing film and forming film. The contents inside the blisters contain biscuits, toys, sauces, etc., so it requires to be equipped with multiple feeders, which need to be customized according to customers' requirements. It is a blister packing machine in completely new field. For more details, please feel free to contact us.